Good morning, students. I'm Praveen Thakur here with your standard 3 English. Welcome back to our English class. Students, in my previous video, we saw the question answers of the text, The Great Escape. Today, I'm going to continue with the exercise Understanding the Text given on page number 48. Complete these sentences on your own words. So you can see on page number 48, understanding the text, some questions are given, sentences are given, but they are not complete. Let us complete the sentence seeing from the text. The scarecrow suggested they jump over the ditch because. Now, why did the scarecrow suggest that they jump over the ditch? Because they had to reach to the other side, because they were in the forest and they wanted to escape from the Kalidas, and they wanted to go to the Emerald City of the Wizard of Oz. So they had to reach to the other side over the ditch. All of them were very pleased to see how easily the lion. So what did the lion do? He jumped over the ditch. First he jumped and he easily crossed the ditch. Then what he did? One by one, he took everyone, Dorothy, the scarecrow, the Tin Woodman, and he made them cross the ditch on his back. Number 3. They came across another ditch, but this one was, so first ditch they crossed, that was not very wide. But then they came across another ditch, but this one was very broad and deep. And if the lion also said that I cannot cross the ditch because it is very wide, very deep, and it is so wide that I will myself not reach the other side. I will fall in the middle of the ditch. Fourth number. Dorothy screamed and the scarecrow fell over backward. Because why did Dorothy scream and why did the scarecrow fall down? Because the lion gave out a loud and terrible roar. Why he gave that? Because he wanted to scare the Kalidas, because they had seen them and the Kalidas were coming very near. So the lion offered to fight with the Kalidas and save the other three. So he gave a loud noise, roar. But then such a loud roar, when so near a tiger is, you will be very afraid. And Dorothy also screamed and the scarecrow fell over because of that loud noise. Fifth number. The cowardly lion drew a long breath of relief because why he that is a long breath of relief. When you say finished, because the beast fell into the ditch. That is why the lion gave a breath of relief, because the Tin Man had cut the tree, and with the tree the two Kalidas that were following, they fell into the ditch and they all were saved. That is why the lion gave a sigh of relief, because even though he was a lion, but he was coward. He did not have that much courage. Now students, on page number 49, exercise C. Answer these questions in your own words. So this is long answer question. Let us see the question first. The lion is called cowardly because he is not brave and strong as other lions. Did he act in a cowardly manner in the text? Why do you think so? No, I don't think he acted in a cowardly manner, as he jumped the ditch carrying one by one everyone to the other side. He even tried to scare the Kalidas and was ready to fight with them to save the others. But from inside, he was a coward because he was afraid of to jump over the ditch also, and to fight. He was afraid of the Kalidas also. So out here he acted that he is very brave to jump over the ditch to fight with the Kalidas, but from inside he was a little coward because he himself was afraid of the Kalidas. Now, next question. Let's read the answer once more. No, I don't think that he acted in a cowardly manner as he jumped the ditch carrying one by one everyone to the other side. He even tried to scare the Kalidas and was ready to fight with them to save the others. Of the four characters in the text, who do you think is the wisest? Why do you think so? Is there anything funny about him being wise? So, four characters. Characters means who all are there in this story? The Tin Woodman, Scarecrow, the Cowardly Lion, and Dorothy. So, these are the main four characters. And who do you think is the wisest? That is intelligent or clever in this four? So, according to me, of the four, the Scarecrow is the wisest because each time he gave the ideas how to cross the ditch and how to save themselves from the Kalidas. So, two times in the text he gave the idea of crossing the ditch one by cutting the tree and making a bridge. He even told the woodman to chop away the tree as the Kalidas could not cross the ditch. The funny thing is that the scarecrow is made of straw, but it is used its brain time and again. So students, here you can see he is made of straw, and he gave the idea. First one, he gave the idea first time to the lion to jump, and the lion jumped, and Scarecrow offered to jump with the lion because even if he would have fallen, he would not be hurt. Then second time when they saw the bridge ditch again and more wide and deep, again he gave the idea to chop the tree, and the woodman chopped the tree. And when the Kalidas were very near and they all the four of them crossed the ditch, the Scarecrow gave the idea to the woodman to chop the tree so that the Kalidas could not be able to cross the ditch. So this was he who is known as was according to me the wisest. And the funny thing is he is made of straw and he has so much intelligence, so much brain that even Dorothy, the girl, human beings have more brain, but out here Dorothy was also so afraid that she did not use her brain. So these were the question answer students of exercise C and exercise A. Go through this very nicely. Thank you students and take care.